Recently I've been busy in the house doing a few modifications. Now most of the process, the building process, I enjoy, but there's one part that really isn't my favourite, and that's painting. I have to say that's the one job I really loathe about building. However, there's a couple of innovations that I've discovered that make the process a little bit easier, a little bit tidier, and I'd like to just show you what they are. Now the first one is one I discovered just recently, and that's a pouring spout for a paint can. Now it fits on most paint can sizes and clips onto the rim, and it means that the problem of paint in the rim, which has been an annoyance for people for a lifetime, and they've come up with all sorts of innovations like putting holes in the rim to let the paint drain back down, etc. It really solves the problem because the paint simply doesn't get into the rim in the first place. So look, it was only about $2.50 for 3 of these, and they're reusable. So a great thing to use when you're painting. Buy some of those, put them on your paint cans, and you won't have the problems with the paint in the rim. Now the second one is this device. I've had it for a few years and just happened to see it again in the store. These are not things that I've noticed that the salespeople recommend to you, they just happen to be around. But I found this really useful when working with a roller, because it enables you, when the roller is full of paint, to actually scrape the paint out with this half round and recover paint and make the process of cleaning the roller much easier. The flat end also can be used for scraping the paint off a paintbrush and cleaning it up. So that's just 2 simple tools that you can add to your painting kit that make an unpleasant process much easier.